Going to make a short video about search engine optimization or Google ranking. Google's the biggest search engine, the biggest opportunity. I'm going to show you SemRush, which is the software I subscribe to analyze websites, competitor websites too, to see how they rank, why they rank, and what we can do to improve your position, get more traffic. First thing I'm going to do is use a real example. And I don't work with these people, but I've picked a random example, which is Bideford Town Council. It's an important point to make. I can analyze any website on the internet. I do not need permission. This is software that monitors traffic, monitors data, monitors analytics. It's not Google Analytics. I do not need access to any website's Google Analytics to find out this information. So the first thing I'd say about Bideford Town Council is it's okay. It looks okay. The website looks like it works. All the pictures are there. You would not know there were any issues. Looks like a fairly good website, right? However, that's not necessarily good for Google. Google's looking at the code of your site and deciding if you've built it correctly. And if the keywords you've used, which are binary numbers, right? Each letter on a computer is a binary number. The phrases that you have built into your website are correct and relevant. And SemRush opens up that information to the user. First thing I'll highlight is what I'll call Google quality, Google power. The bonus points you get for building an excellent site for visitors. Google penalizes you, takes points away for ranking if you have mistakes that affect the user experience. That might be slow pages, might be broken links, anything, and you can put yourself in those shoes, right? Anything that affects a user experience, because Google is the monster it is, because it provides good results with good websites that people enjoy. If you compromise that, they will lower your ranking. What the software does, it does an audit, looks through the code, comes back, gives it a nominal score. Bideford Town Council got 76%, and tells me why. It says, we have given you a lower score. Every website has the potential to be 90% plus. That's what I do. Work on people's websites and make them 90% plus Google quality. It says, you've used duplication on this site. Duplicate meta descriptions, duplicate title tags, duplicate content. That means I've been lazy. I might be subconsciously lazy, but lazy in Google's eyes. I haven't looked at each individual page and said, actually, this page is about this subject. What Bideford Town Council have done is they've used the same description and same kind of text on every page. Google says that's not a good user experience, and of course it isn't. Repetition makes people unhappy. It then says, here are some warnings, things that we need to fix to get the ultimate ranking. They are around external links broken. You will get hammered for that. That's the ultimate user experience fail, isn't it? If someone clicks something, it goes nowhere. What software does, it tells us which link is broken. And what you have here is an example where the Bideford Town Council have overlooked an old piece of content that's still on the website that goes nowhere. It's becoming a member.html. If I click it, it will say this page is dead. Someone hasn't known that. Someone hasn't realized that. Only the software is comprehensive to detect things like that. What an easy fix. I just go onto these pages and take off that link, and my Google quality goes up and my Google ranking potentially goes up too. It certainly doesn't go down when I remove broken links. If I come back, I've got some other issues. I'm not using H1 code, which is a bit techie. There's not enough words on this page, too much text in the title tags. Rules of SEO that are broken by Bideford Town Council's content. When I fix all these things and you go up to 90%, all your ranking potentially goes up. Not just one phrase, the whole site. Google says this site is high quality. Users like it. I will give everything a boost. That's the theory. What the software also does, which is really important for keyword strategies, it tells me where a site is ranked on Google right now as a snapshot. It gives me a trend on their traffic. And this is the graph of Bideford Town Council. It says, we're improving over time, January 2018. It's all going well. And then in December 2018, they did something to the site, or someone else did something on a competitor site for ranking, and they've fallen off the cliff. I kind of know why that is, because it's in the data I just showed you over here, in the audit data. It needs to be fixed. Someone's made a change to the site and not realised the implications of search engines and Google ranking. That's what's happened there, and it's fallen off the cliff. But if I come down to the point I'm trying to make, I have every single keyword phrase that this site could come up in the results for on Google. The list of keyword searches that Google says, yes, this site is about this. If someone types this in, I'll show it. Tells me where they rank. So I've got the big sheep. They come 36th. That's on page 4. Most Google results show 10 results, right? Most pages, Google results pages. That's nowhere. You need to be in the top 10 to have any chance of being clicked. Bideford Athletic Football Club, which is Bideford AFC, they're now 18th. Right? They've gone up. Someone's written a page about that. There's quite a lot of searches. Tells me how many searches happen on Google. So I've got what the phrase is that this site ranks for, where they rank, knowing if I need to improve it. And on Google, this isn't the number of people who go to their website. That's the number of searches that happen on Google every month for that search. 12,100 incidences of searching use Clovelly. That's how I decide what to go for. That's keyword strategy. And so if I sort by position and we look at where they are ranked highly or lowly, right, it tells me what to go for. This is a strategy. Bideford Pannier Market, 320 people search that every month. They're first. Great, but is that enough? Perhaps you should have gone for something else. Right, so there's the two sides of SemRush. One is it tells us what you've done wrong as a website build and how you've compromised your ranking and fallen down unnecessarily. That's a fix list, a technical fix really, and a content fix. It's also got all the keywords that you rank for, which tells us if you rank for the right thing and what you've forgotten to rank for. And with those two pieces of information, you can put together a keyword strategy to improve your Google ranking, not just in one phrase, across the board. And that's how we work with people to do search engine optimization. We use data to inform experience and strategy to improve.